Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So I want to talk about easy way to buy Bitcoin. So how to buy Bitcoin. So let's check out full details of how to buy Bitcoin. So here is a 4 steps for buy Bitcoin. So number one, decide where to buy Bitcoin. So cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase and a few traditional brokers like Robinhood can get you started investing in Bitcoin. Number two, think about how to store your cryptocurrency. So are you going to keep your Bitcoin in a hot wallet or a cold wallet? Number three, make your purchase. Figure out how much you want to invest in Bitcoin. Manage your investment. Determine your long term plan for this asset. So ready to invest, here is our picks for the West Bitcoin cryptocurrency exchanges. So what is cryptocurrency? What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency are digital assets that are usually created using a cryptographic computer networking technology called blockchain, which makes it possible to exchange them without the need for central authorities such as a bank. Cryptocurrencies are traded on public exchanges, but they are generally not subject to the same regulations as stocks and other traditional investment products. Okay. So, decide where to buy Bitcoin. There are a few different ways to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, including exchanges and traditional brokers. So, cryptocurrency exchanges. You can purchase Bitcoin from several cryptocurrency exchanges, many after dozens of cryptocurrency choices, while others simply have Bitcoin and helpful alternative. They carry a variety of different fees and consumer protection. So do you diligence before choosing. So today is that's it. So take care. Bye bye.